Hello everyone. Today what I'm going to discuss with you is a basics tickets tracker, which is simple and a powerful tool, which is typically designed to keep your ticketing system organized and at top of deadlines. So typically for project managers, customer support teams, or even freelancers or small business owners, this tracker shall help you prioritize, assign, and track tickets with absolute ease. And it'll all be done in this one simple document. It will reduce mistakes and delay deliveries that are pending to the clients. So get started. The case here is there's a customer walk-in for a laptop repair. We are taking the instance of a laptop repair. The shopkeeper or the retailer accepts this request and wants to capture this service ticket. Okay. Now the scenario goes like this: that once this service ticket is created, he will assign it to one of his service agents who will address it typically within 2 to 3 days, and then the customer can come and collect the laptop. This is something that first we'll discuss. This is an area where you can punch in the entries and create a service ticket. So let's do that. Let's say I will punch in a customer phone number. Okay, device name is laptop, assigned to, let's say I assign it to Salish, and device ID is something XX. Okay, deposit date we'll take it as today, and ETA, let's say it will be done after 3 days, so 31st of March. Status is assigned, and that's it. Let the cursor be here and click on create service. A script runs and this gets stored. Now see, you see this is Monica here. Okay, and now you can also see this in the backend. Just click here, click on this, and you will get the details here. Okay, come back. Now let's say you also want to search customer name, and here I will write Monica, and there you go. Okay, you have all the details, sell age, etc. Delivery date is 31st of March, and you can also get back to this again, and you can make the changes here, whatever. Okay, so this is one of the things. Now also you can see that you have a dashboard here, okay, which shows date wise ETA. So for example, on 30th March we have 3 pending deliveries: Matthew, Sumit, and Monica. Okay, this gives you a very clear picture of the upcoming changes, and below that we'll also see a name of all those tickets where we have accepted the assignment, but the allocation of work is pending. So let's see this Matthew's case. I'll come here, click here. Here you see it is not assigned to anyone. So let's say I will assign it to Karur. The moment I do that, it is gone from here. So there is no more pending assignment. Okay. Now in column A12 onwards, let's see this one. This is the search that we can do. So you can select any of these. Let's say device. I will come here and I will write Samsung, and you get the details that who has given a Samsung repair request. Okay, when is the ETA for delivery is 30th March. So you get all these reports. This is a report, this is a report, this is a report. Okay, let me just make this here, and while this is for input and entry. Okay, now that's very simple. Now what I can also do is I will show you how the coding has been done. Yeah, so here you go. This is the code which takes care of that. So here I have simply assigned the sheets. Okay, this is for my alert, and this is for basically allocating the last row of the database, current row, the record which needs to be put into the database, and this is just to check if duplicate entries are being made, and if the duplicate entry is there, then it will come out by use of this command, and the code will not get executed thereafter. Similarly, it is also checking for blank cells here, that there should not be any blank cell while entry. If there are no blank cell, then it will accept it. Okay, that's it. Very simple code, and Let's come back to the tracker and check a few entries. I will pick one more entry here. Let's say, okay, deposit date, today's date, ETA is, let's say, tomorrow. Okay, status is assigned, create service, and there you go. Okay, now let me show you one more thing where I will just enter some random name, but I will not fill all the details. Okay, now all this is blank, and I try to create a service, so it shares, please ensure all mandatory values are filled. Okay, now what I will do, let me type another, I will take this number and I will try to create a duplicate entry. Assigned. Okay, now let me click on create service. Duplicate entry detected. Okay, so yeah, so this is a easy to use tracker, and can be used by anyone. Let me know in comments if you want me to solve a specific issue. We'll be happy to do so. Thank you.